Welcome back to the channel, yo. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a Kia 2017 Kia Soul. This person here says it has a cylinder misfire. Wonder what that could be. Let's check it out, y'all. But they want $2,950 for it. But it says it runs pretty decent, but it has a cylinder misfire. So it was a fleet vehicle for transporting people of 5. So I guess they use it like a taxi cab or something. But it's a pretty nice looking SUV. But what concerns me is that cylinder misfire on cylinder 3. Alright guys, let's look at the interior. Oh, it's pretty clean vehicle. Interior. Yeah, stop playing with it. That's pretty clean on the inside. Yeah, says it still runs. Okay. I hear you now. I do like these trucks, man, and I'm pretty sure they're really good on gas. But what really concerns me about this one is that cylinder misfire. Well. What could it possibly be? Okay, let's look at the odometer. The miles is pretty low. It has 148,000 miles on it. Okay, but then he say you get a code of a NOx sensor too as well. I read that. There's the engine on it. The engine looks pretty darn good, you know. Interior looks good. The body. Not a bad looking vehicle. I mean, it looks pretty darn good, you know. So I wonder what the cylinder misfire really is. I am not sure. I would have to dig deeper and check it out and see what the deal really is on it, you know. But it's a pretty nice looking SUV, I will admit that. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. It's a nice looking SUV. I always liked these because they was small, compact, and you know, I'm always looking for something that's really good on gas, you know. Alright. But I will have to dig deeper and see exactly what's causing that cylinder 3 misfire at that price though. If it's misfiring on cylinder 3, he definitely would have to drop that price down about, knock off about $1,500 off that price. More like $1,000, $1,200. You know, that's what I think for that. But anyway, y'all comment below what y'all think about this truck. That's my 2 cents. More like $1,000, $1,200. I'm out of here, man. Peace.